What's up guys, Ed here and welcome back to the continuation of the secure login. We're in part 4 right now, and this time I'm gonna give myself a timer for 30 minutes to record. So it started now. Right off the bat, I started off by viewing this error, so this is the first thing I'm gonna fix today. Functions line 35. Well, since it's not set, I guess I'm gonna fix it later. Let's remove this because we want to make it basically... No, wait. We want to make it basically auto-login us as soon as we come on the website, have all these things matching up. So this is what's going to happen. Therefore, I am going to see if we have all this and we didn't have a session. Let's change this at first. I need to change this to this. We start the session next. We're looking at if we have the cookies, and if we have the cookies but we don't have this, so if this whole thing is false, we create our session, and the session receives DBH. No, it doesn't receive the DBH, but instead we receive the user ID. Oh wait, the username. Username is alright. So right, we have the username stored as well in our cookies. I forgot about that. So if we have all the cookies, then we also have the username, user ID, and token and serial. Just gonna give it that straight as well, and then return true. And also wanted to put the same thing here, so if session in general is there, so we don't get any errors. So I guess this is nice. A user suggested, let me open the comment, Tony Isotelo or Isotelo, I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that properly, I guess, suggested to use substring string shuffle instead of this whole thing. So instead I'm going to say, let's remove this and say substring str shuffle. I didn't know about that, so string and the length of the string, which is 61. So wait, no, right, 30, depending on how much we want here. So, and this should be 30 by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a try and see if this works as intended. So index here, and I'm going to echo out my func create string 30 and see 94 functions, unexpected 30. Okay, let's see, unexpected 30. Probably forgot something here. There you go. And probably this one is no, that's alright. Okay, there we go. User ID still there. Uncaught, create session 44. Let's see what's up with 44. cookie username, user ID, token, and serial. I probably don't have any cookies, but then he should return my thing to was called wrong. Alright, I'm just an idiot. Don't mind it. Okay, now create string is also written like a retard. Create string. There we go. Okay, so this works perfectly fine. Thank you for that, of course. I remembered the comment. So next, I wanted to change all this. Instead of saying like if I'm logged in, then do this and this, I'm going to say if I'm not, then return me to this page, exit, and that's it. And so I don't need anything else. Why is that? Now for index it doesn't matter that much, but let's say I had a complete page here and I would put it into echo, but that sucks, right? So we want to display it like normal plain HTML text, and it's easier because if this doesn't match, we don't even see the rest, so we just get redirected. Looks a lot better, so yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, so now what are we left with? Let me see. Right, I'm logged in. Oh, exit. If not logged in, there we go. Okay, welcome admin. That's perfectly fine. Okay, let me log out, or let's do the logout. So we're going to delete cookies. Delete cookies. And what this basically means is we do this time -1. So we're basically putting a cookie valid until the past, and that means it's going to be erased. That's the only way I know. So what we will do is create a new file, which is logout.php. Put our yeah, basically nothing really. So I'm going to alright, we have to include though. So include once functions.php. Now I can do func.delete cookies, delete cookies, or cookies, delete cookie. Yeah, don't mind that. Here we can just, no wait, this was the wrong one. Here we can just put these empty thingies because we don't need anything to put in there. Okay, and I'm going to remove all this because we obviously don't need that either. Yeah, that's it. So now we can header location index.php, or let's log in PHP. Okay, so once I am logging out, and let's really quickly create the footer because we need that as well. So the footer says echo. Okay, the first one says wait, we want to add our body first and our HTML, because I think we didn't do that here, right? We didn't do. We do this. This comes up top here. You say footer. And here I'm going to put in my links. So the first one would be like, I don't know, index href index.php index and do a break like this one. And copy a bunch of these. Oh, I actually don't need any more. Maybe we can have like something like an admin location. Admin. And have the logout. So the logout will only be displayed if I'm logged in. So we are going to do the following. If func, what was it called? Haven't done this in a while, so I forgot what I called these. If login state and dbh, and we also need to include stuff here. So what's going to happen is include once. Let's actually do it for this one as well, because we probably need the header.php, and that's it. Here as well, header.php, there we go. So if I'm logged in, then I can log out. Can I do it like this? I don't know PHP this much, but instead I'm doing login, and continue, or yeah, that's the last one. So basically, oh, I actually don't need this. I'm just gonna go here. And did I fit it in? Yes, I did. So I hope this works. I don't know for sure. Let's do the following. Maybe looks a little bit better. Okay. Let's see. So, okay, line 7 if footer. It's not in the right place. I guess I have to do the following. Echo this, or yeah, if it's not, then echo this one. Should be working now. There we go. Okay, I'm logged in. I log out. Uncaught error. Log out at second line. Delete cookies. Delete cookie. Now we go. Yeah, fix this stupid thing here. Right, here I can do this. No, wait, here I can't. Or actually, if I'm logged in, then I do this. And I don't need this anymore. If I'm logged in, then I go here, and else